Hello, my viewers. Welcome to Yemizkitchen today. Today we'll be making peanut brittle. This is just a quick snack that is fun for children. This is one of those things that is very common in West Africa. What do you need for this peanut brittle? You're going to need either crushed peanuts or maybe half peanut, which is what I'm going to use. Sugar, 2 spoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm going to use a couple of spoons of butter, maybe a teaspoon of butter for this product, for this recipe, peanut brittle. So everybody have their take on peanut brittle, but this is the way we do it in Nigeria. On my stove, I have on low heat, I have my wok or my frying pan, deep dish frying pan on the stove, which I've added my 2 cups of sugar, 1.5 cup of sugar or 2 cups of sugar, and my teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to cook it on low heat. This took me like almost 5 to 6 minutes, just doing this constantly. You need a little bit of elbow grease and patience to swirl it constantly. You want to make this into a caramel. So that's the essence of this. So you want to swirl it so the way I am moving around in my pot, in my frying pan. You want to be patient because what you are looking for is the consistency of the caramel. So you are making a caramel, by the way. So you do this. It takes a while. It takes like maybe 6 to 10 minutes to form your caramel, depending on the size of how much you're doing. So after almost 10 minutes, the sugar finally turns into caramel. You want the caramel consistency. You want it to be brown. It takes a lot of elbow grease, and if it doesn't turn right, pour it out and do it another way. But you want a caramel formed. It takes patience. You have to cook this on low heat. The fire in your stove should be low heat. So the caramel is done. Now I am putting my halved peeled peanuts in it. I'm going to let it be coated a little bit, and now I'm adding my 2 spoons of butter in it. So make sure everything is folded, swirl it, and turn off your stove. Make sure everything is coated. You don't want the brittle to be black, you want it to be brown, so that's not burnt. Now you're done with this. I have my plate and my paper on my plate because I don't want it to be glued to my plate. So I'm decanting this peanut brittle from the frying pan to the plate. We're going to let it get cold. I'm going to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Then we'll come back here and cut into shapes. So here from the fridge, I brought them out. I'm going to take the wax paper. That's why I use wax paper. I use wax paper over my plate so it's not glued to my plate, so I can easily take it out from the container. So you see it's easy taking out. I'm just going to break it into pieces, and this is just little. I did just a little. This is not too much. My quantity today was just a little bit, just to show you how to make peanut brittle. So I'm going to cut into shapes and put it in the container. So this is my peanut brittle. It is beautiful. This place is smelling as if, there's a vanilla extract or something here. I don't know why, but it smells so good. It smells as ice cream. like caramel. Maybe that's what I'm trying to say. It's it tastes so sweet. I think we're going to finish this tonight. We just have to watch our sugar intake. This is beautiful. If you have stayed with us while doing this peanut brittle, I just want to say thank you to my subscriber for all your love that you're showing to me, and for my new subscriber. What are you waiting for? If you have not liked my channel, please join, subscribe, like, follow, and react to my video. Make me blow, make me happy. Please join Yemizkitchen, Yemi's channel, follow my social media, and this helps my algorithm. Just want to say I love you. Thank you so much for choosing to be with me, for being a fan of Yemizkitchen. God bless you. Have a good day. Choose to be happy. Happiness is a choice. You know, even in disarray, you can choose to be happy. Having said that, if you're using your pot and you're scared that the sugar is going to glue to your pot, this is all you do. Just put water in the pot, boil it for a while, all the sugar will be melted, and your pot is clean. Just showing you what to do after the brittle. Anytime you make anything sugary in your pot and it's going to glue to your pot, candy, just put some water, boil it, then to melt all the butter, and voila, you've cleaned your pot.